Good morning!
Good morning, everyone.
So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa third day of Maria's swimming lesson under Bert Losada Summer Swim. So, what can you say, Jeff?
It's a beautiful resort, I have to say. It's really lovely.
We're at Treasure Cove Resort, guys. And I think this is Magnuang, Batac, Ilocos Norte.
Yeah, it's really nice.
And Maria is under teacher or coach Angel right now. So,
she's excellent.
And
that's her in the background. She's got a very deep voice and she's very good.
Right? So,
and Maria loves it.
Yep. And it's good for her actually.
Yeah,
so,
it's good exercise.
Yeah.
And
let me show you around. Okay. Let's see. So this is the place, guys. Ayan. Maria is right here. Ayan.
And Bubbles 5. Yo, alright, Eddie, stretch your arms, please.
Super ganda dito, guys.
Stretch your arms.
Huge.
Stretch out your arms. Water. Yeah, power in the water. You swim like that. There, and go. Kick, paddle. 4, 5, 6, and up. And up, the air, like that. Keep kicking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and stop.
Good job, Maria. So, ayan, guys. Good job, Maria. So, ayan. We're gonna go around, guys. I will be showing you, or I'll be touring you around. And yeah, they have like kind of a function hall here. This is their shower area, bathroom as well. And then look, they have a big size of a swimming pool. Big size of a swimming pool. Malaki yung swimming pool nila. And I guess this is their pump. Ayan. So we're gonna go around. Vlog ako, ate. Ayan. Opo. There you go, guys. We're gonna go. So, got it, guys. Po. Opo. 2 dads and 2 daughters. 2 dads and 2 daughters po. Malapit na nga.
Okay, nag-vlog mo po, sir.
Anong vlog ka din? Anong vlog mo? Sige, sabihin mo.
Pilar Pinton Bahian.
Pilar Pinto. Malapit ako mag 1 million po.
Hello, sir. Uy, ako sir. Kunti pa, sir. Bago pa ko, sir.
Sige, sabihin mo. Mag-promote ka na.
Sige, sir.
Ito po.
Thank you.
Sabihin mo. Promote mo yung page mo.
Hello mga ka-idol. I-promote niyo yung page ko. Pilar Pinton Bahian.
From? Bisaya ba?
Ha?
Bisaya po kayo?
Bisaya.
Saan po?
Gikan kami sa Mindanao.
Mindanao.
Misamis Oriental.
Ah, nice.
Oh.
Welcome. Matagal na po kayo dito?
Ano, sir?
Matagal na po kayo dito?
Tagal na. 8 years na, sir.
Nakasama kayo dito.
Oh, sige, sir. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Yan guys, follow po din sa ate. Oh, this is so nice, guys. And you can have your weddings here. Whatever, birthday, debut, and all. Diyan, pwede kayong magano dyan ng ano nyo. Tapos going around pa tayo. Going around. Parang ganda dyan, guys, oh. Diba? Ito pala yung mga ano, guys, oh. Tinanim ko din sa amin, sa bahay. Pero, I think dalawa lang yung tinanim kong ganitong ano, kawayan. Wow! Para akong prinsesa dito. Sige, maglalakad ako, guys. Tapos, para akong prinsesa. Charot. Hi, guys! Ang ganda nila dito. Charot. But anyway, di ba? Ang ganda dito. Pwede kang ano, maganda-gandahan dito. Oh, it's super malaki siya, guys. Tapos kung ikakasal kayo, may platform sila doon. You guys can stay there. Diba? Oh, tapos parang dyan yung ano mo, dyan yung ano nyo, altar ninyo. Tapos dito yung mga upuan ninyo, diba? Super maganda siya. Tapos yung pangalan, Treasure Cove. And then of course they have their restaurant as well. Meron silang cafe. Ang laki-laki ng kanilang ano, deck for their restaurant. Tapos, yan, punta tayo dito sa harapan and then ilas natin yung cafe nila guys. So, ba ang ganda. Okay, masabi nyo guys, have you guys been here? Actually, this, matagal ko nakikita dito pero hindi naman ako masyadong, actually, third day pa lang namin today. So, ito yung ano nilang Treasure Trove? Oh, Treasure Trove pala, hindi pala Treasure Cove, I'm sorry. It's Treasure Trove. Pupunta yung ano nila, oh, main hall nila. Oo, diba? Ayan. Pwede kayo mag-picture dyan. Wow. Treasure Trove Resort, Hotel, and Events Place. So, pwede kayo mag-check-in dyan yung gusto ninyo. And then, we're gonna go around. So, this is along the highway lang siya, guys. So, that's their function hall. And then hotel, I guess. Then this is the way out to the pool. Medyo matarik siya guys. No smoking, no vaping daw, pero yung guard, charot. Wala pala siya dyan. And we are here. Ang ganda guys. Tapos ito na yung kanilang diba? Oh, ito na siya, diba? Super ganda. Tapos yun yung kanilang restaurant. Tapos I love this one, it's super ang ganda pala, oh, diba? Pwede na siyang silong. Wait lang, maglalakad ulit ako, parang eme tapos ganda. Charot. Charot lang. Then let's go to their cafe. Diba? Then ito yung cafe nila guys, Tahan Cafe by Treasure Trove. Yun siya guys, oh. Tapos ganyan. And then we're gonna go here para makita natin yung sabi kong ano, platform kanina. And of course, meron dyan silang mga upuan dyan. Diba? Ang init bakla. So, carbo grass ata to guys. Tapos yung iba is Bermuda. Bermuda or Bermuda, whatever, or however you call it. So, sabi kong platform, oh. Ayan. Nilagay dito yung ano nyo, decoration nyo. Tapos yun yung mga bisita nyo, diba? Oh, I don't know what's that. And so guys, a Treasure Trove Resort. And then we're back here. Napakalawak niya guys. I highly recommend it. Kung gusto niyo mag-swimming, napakalaki yung swimming pool nila. Ayan. Tapos, mabalik na tayo dito sa loob. No entry kung wala kayong no stop. No stop, no entry. Tapos, we are here na. Meron silang parang ano dito, oh. Function hall din, di ba? Kung may birthdays, pwede kayong mag-decorate here. And of course, they have their huts. Meron silang barbecuehan dyan. Here you go, guys. And we are back here. Hello.
Hello everyone.
What can you say about?
Isn't it a beautiful resort?
It is a beautiful resort, and that's Maria, girls.
Yeah.
Look, she's doing so great.
Keep paddling, keep paddling, keep kicking.
Wow, good job.